This is the fastest Stage 2 C63 in the country. The K20 is moving mad right now.
You set me up, man. You set me up. But Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean.
He's on a madness.
He's on a madness. Oh boy. Today, we're back with another little versus large science experiment showdown. It's a power to weight special between two polar opposite cars. And the results are simply mind-blowing. Stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be nuts. Let's get it. For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links down below in the description. Officially gassed, powered by Mannol. So welcome back to the OG battles here at the mighty Mannol Battlegrounds and to another David vs Goliath matchup between two savage cars. In one corner, we've got a lightweight rear-wheel drive Frankenstein boosted Honda powered Mini, and in the other, a rear-wheel drive modified modern AMG with double the engine capacity and near on double the power. Today, power to weight, grip and driver skill come into play, and I promise you, the races will not disappoint. So first up today, introducing John to the battles in his bonkers, self-built, 360 brake horsepower, 2-litre inline 4-cylinder, K20 turbo-powered 1980s classic Mini, tuned by Jesse Halford. Mods coming up. And he's going to be stepping up against, welcoming the THEDJMJ to the battles, repping for Team AMG in his monstrous 670 brake horsepower, 4-litre V8 twin-turbo powered 2018 Mercedes C63S AMG, built and tuned by Pure Tuning. Mods coming up. As usual, we'll be recording all of today's race data on the VBox PBT. And first up today, it's the roll races. But before we get cracking, let's get a couple of sound checks. Okay, so let me know who won the sound checks. The AMG's 4-litre V8 twin-turbo or the Mini's 4-cylinder single-turbo. And let's race.
Right, let's see what happens. See if I stand a chance against this C63. With a lot more power than me, but hopefully I've got the power to weight.
All right then, it's time to race. Mr. Bean versus MJ. Turn my seatbelt on, you never know what's going to happen. All right, can't lie, a little bit nervous, but I got hope in my big V8. Mr. Bean can't smoke me. I'm finished if this Mr. Bean smokes me. I'll be honest, absolutely finished. So we're gonna do the rolls now. Traction off, might be interesting, but we'll see what happens.
I'm telling you, at one point I thought, maybe, I don't know what happened in the Mini, but it seemed to slow down. I thought the C63 went round him, but then something happened in the Mini and it went a lot quicker. I'm gonna say, now Mini won. Finish line, who won that and by how much?
So that was 3 car lengths to the Mini.
Oh, the Mini takes the first race. Let's line it back up and go again.
He's lying. He is lying. There is no way he Nah.
He was spinning.
Nah, I'm fuming. That was meant to be my best effort. Mr. Bean. Yo, you were moving. You know, fair play, man.
That's insane. Fair play, that's cool.
Got smoked by a flipping Mini. Oh no. That's better. Come on. That's way better. That's what I'm talking about. That's what the 63 does. We get traction, we start moving. Thank God Mr. Bean didn't beat me that time though.
What? That looked mad close actually, I can't lie, that did look close. Let's find out who won that and by how much. Finish line, who won that and by how much?
That was half a car length to the Mini.
So the Mini still had it, but it was a better race. That Mini is insane. Let's line him back up. In fact, let's line him up for a drag race. Let's go.
He's pushing more. Mr. Bean is a sneaky little devil. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, that was close.
Okay, so unfortunately, Mr. Bean actually did just beat you, bro. But it was closer for sure. The Mini takes the win by 1 car length. Madness.
He's fast. Right, we gotta get him from a dig. Hopefully my tires are like 50,000 degrees and I can just stick.
So, let's take a look over at the fastest 100 to 200 kph times achieved by the pair during the runs using the V-Box PBTs. And the mighty Mini records the fastest time, going 100 to 200 kph in a rapid 6.68 seconds, beating the C63's best time of 7.07 seconds. However, both lads just off pace to chart with the Elite 15. That's data to back up the results. And round 1 goes to the little Mini. Next up is the drag races, and this is where things get just a little bit nuts. Place your bets and let's race. All right, bro.
Yeah.
So, you got your work out. That Mini fast.
Oh no, bro.
That Mini. He caught everyone by surprise. Yeah,
he's on smoke, bro. He's on smoke.
You got this, bro.
Mr. Bean's moving mad. He's moving.
Right, Mr. Bean's angry. Hey, yo, hold up. Before we get into these drag races, if you really care about what goes into your car and uncompromised quality at bargain prices, then Mannol is the one for you. So I want to show you all just what it takes to make such a quality product. And what better way than to show you Mannol SET's brand new facility in Jebel Ali, Dubai. Check it out. 101 tanks holding 20,350 tons of lubricants, equipped with advanced sensors monitoring fuel levels, temperature and density, ensuring optimal storage and precision. In their state-of-the-art lab, there's regular testing to make sure Mannol's products meet and exceed industry standards. And that means quality in every drop. Whether it's for your daily or your track toy, Mannol oils are crafted to perfection for ultimate performance. Go ahead and check the links down below in the description to Mannol, and I highly suggest you watch the whole factory tour. I think it will blow your mind and also give peace of mind to what's actually going in your engine. Mannol products are also now available on Amazon Prime, meaning next day delivery. Mannol scale and excellence equals unbeatable performance. So now you know, Mannol Dubai, precision, innovation and excellence in every drop. Let's get back to these races. Ready, set, go! This is a Honda man. This is me here, MK4. You don't know about MK Performance. He's a Honda man. Now tell me, should that Mini be doing what it's doing right now?
Of course.
Why?
Because it's a K20.
There you go. Thank you, Mahir. The K20 is moving mad right now. Should we use... I forgot to ask. I got so excited. Finish line, finish line. Who won that and by how much?
That was a win to the Mini by 4 plus car length.
Oh. Man said a train length, basically. Let's line him back up and go again. In fact, yeah, we're giving one more fair race. If it goes this way again, bonus round.
Bro, you set me up, man. You set me up.
So let me just say this while I'm here, yeah? Just in case there's people at home thinking, the car's slow. This is the fastest stage 2 C63 in the country.
Yeah.
This car is no joke.
It's not a joke. Pure Tuning done a madness with this car. But Mr. Bean,
Mr. Bean,
he's on a madness.
He's on a madness.
Oh my, how is he shifting like that, bro? It's not manual. It's not manual. It's not manual, bro.
Ready, 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 set, go.
Too much, man. You guys probably thinking, why do you turn traction fully off? Because it just lights off. Lights on.
You know what? Shout out to Mr. Mini, because that Mini is angry as hell. It's got Honda implanted in it. That's why it's moving like it is. But yeah, that is absolutely epic. Let's find out how much the Mini won by, because he definitely won. Finish line, finish line. Who won that and by how much?
Yeah, another big gap to the Mini.
Yeah, that's great, man. You said big gap. That's how mad it is. It's not a car, it's big gap. The thing is, that C63 is no slouch. As we've said, that is the fastest stage 2 C63 in the country, C63S or whatever. It's no joke. But now, obviously we need to make it a little bit fair. We need to see how much that Mini can basically be at a disadvantage and still win by. So, time for a bonus round.
Car's twerking like Cardi B. Nah, I'm not talking to Mr. Bean ever again. Childhood ruined. Don't say big gap! Oh! Alright, cool.
We're gonna do a bonus round. Will you get in that Mini? I don't mind. See if he'll let you in the Mini with him.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna give you a couple of car lengths head start.
Oh my God, that's a vibe. We'll do it.
Listen, we're doing it for the culture,
yeah.
We're doing it for the culture. Alright, so bear with me.
Yeah, go on.
Couple cars head start. Okay, and Jamie said, would you have me in the car as a passenger while you're racing it?
Okay.
We're gonna give him like 3 car lengths.
3?
3. Yeah. And will you take the passenger?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So MK Performance is in the house. We got a big boy Honda tuner in a Mini with a Honda. And yeah, strap up, bro, because yeah, you're gonna need it. All right, that's it. You can't help him no more. All right, brother, come forward. We're gonna help you out. Come forward. All right, that's 1 car length. Keep coming. That's 2. That's 3. We'll stop you there. Oh, that is looking mean. That is looking like a big old gap. All right, cool. Ready? 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 Set, go!
Mr. Bean's not winning. Yeah. Got me the same amount. starting up. He's got a NOS switch.
AMG community, C63 owners, I don't know what to say. I do not. We just leave it there. I'm not even going to ask who won. We all saw it. We'll speak no more of it.
Now that's a set to make him sell his car gap.
Mate, what's going on?
Bro, that Mini comes to play no games.
Yeah, I know.
Bro, this car, bro, it's amazing. The way you guys took off is like your best launch. It was like more weight helped you.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
That was insane.
So after that mind-blowing performance, let's take a look over at the fastest quarter mile and 0 to 60 times achieved by the duo during the runs using the V-Box PBTs. And unsurprisingly, the Mini goes fastest, covering the quarter mile in just 11.24 seconds at a speed of 130 miles per hour and drops into a joint 14th position on the rear-wheel drive leaderboard. The C63 records a best time of 11.97 seconds at a speed of 122 miles per hour, however, is just off pace to chart with the top 15. And then taking a look over at the fastest 0 to 60 times achieved, once again, the Mini goes fastest, hitting 60 in a mind-blowing 3.40 seconds and drops into 11th position on the leaderboard. The C63 records a best 0 to 60 time of 4.12 seconds, but is just off pace to chart with the top 15. And both rounds go to John and that crazy little Mini. Congrats, bro. So today's races took everyone by surprise, but of course no one more than Mr. THEDJMJ himself. I've seen how fast these modified classic Minis can be, but I thought this matchup could quite possibly be one step too far for a fairly moderate powered 80s Mini. But boy was I wrong. John shifts the hell out of that rapid K-powered Mini and shows us all that power to weight and the right driver are a deadly combo, taking all race wins and recording all the fastest times in the process. The THEDJMJ steps up today as a good sport, knowing this could be a tricky one, but gives it his best shot regardless and keeps us entertained throughout. But today, he was most certainly outgunned. Either way, a massive shout out to both lads for stepping up and putting on a show for the culture. So let me know down below in the comments, if you could only have one of the two cars sat outside on your drive, which one would it be and why? And if you have enjoyed today's races, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't miss another battle by smashing that notifications bell. And we'll be back, same place, same time, with another crazy OG battle. Peace out.